All right, September 15th, 2022. Came up here to Adams Small Engines to get a few parts for the super diesel I'm working on. And I wasn't planning on doing a video. I didn't bring any camera equipment. I was just running up here quickly to get some parts, but figured I'd take the phone and just do a really quick update video for all of you because there's been an arrival of a lot of things here, and just wanted to sort of show you guys, keep you updated on a lot of the stuff that came in. So like I said, this isn't going to be a real detailed video like a lot of the other ones, but just if anyone's looking or thinking about coming up here, to give you an idea of what new came in. Quonset hut's filling up pretty good back here since I was here in the spring. Getting a lot more tractors back in here. This area back here wasn't nearly as full 5 months ago when I was here as it is now. And he's getting tractors lined up almost all the way to the back of this thing. Yeah, newer Cub Cadet Super with the Kubota gas engine. I meant to ask him about this. You don't get too many supers in like that for sale or for parts, so let me go outside and we'll see what's in the U-Pull-It lot. Lots of engines. These engines are all for parts. You can pull parts off of these, and definitely getting a lot of engines in. I apologize for the video. It's not going to be as stable. It's a little shakier being done on my phone, but like I said, I didn't bring my camera equipment. So now this is something either new or I just missed it the last few times I was here, but I don't ever recall this being here. But if you travel far away and you go to the U-Pull-It, and I've ran into this problem before too, no matter how many tools you bring in your tool bag, it always seems like you're one tool short. So it's pretty nice. He has a whole bin here. You can borrow them. Just be sure if you borrow tools, you know, it's always nice to return them, because this is a nice thing that he's doing. So if you do travel all this way and you need something to remove apart, he's actually letting you borrow the tools to help you get the job done. So yeah, still got some simplicities there. Toros. This looks like it possibly be new. Some new cases arrived. take long for the red Cub Cadet to get parted out. That one went pretty quick. Usually 82 series parts don't last very long. Lots of Cub Cadets. A lot of the newer stuff. Some older stuff came in, but yeah, the Cub Cadet line's definitely growing out here. I never even really heard of this one, a Dayton. Maybe some of you watching this may know a little bit more about that. I've never heard of that brand. Alright, we'll pan through here for all you John Deere guys. A lot of newer Deere parts, some older in there yet. Alright, this will be your fall update of this place. Like I said, I apologize for the camera shakiness, and I really wasn't planning on doing a video today. I just came here to get a few parts quickly, but I did want to show everyone everything. So I hope you guys get a chance to make it here. If you need parts for tractors, this is definitely the place to get them. As always, thanks for watching.